Hi students, the subject name is BE 8253 Basic Electrical, Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering. Today we will learn the basic concept of transducer. Transducer is a device. It is a one type of device. It converts one form of energy into another form of energy. That means it converts physical quantity into electrical quantity. That means physical quantity such as the pressure, velocity, temperature. These are the physical quantities. In this transducer converts physical quantity into electrical quantity. Electrical quantity such as voltage or current. This is the main thing of transducer, and it converts measurement to a usable electrical signal. This is called as transducer. And this is the diagram of transducer. It converts pressure into voltage. That means physical quantity it converts into electrical quantity. And the next one is block diagram of transducer. In this diagram there are two basic elements. First one is sensing element and next one is transduction element. In sensing element, that means is a one type of sensor, and the inputs are pressure or temperature or force. These are the input of transducer. These inputs entering into the sensing element. In this element it is also a device producing a measurable response to change in physical condition. This is the main function of sensing element. And in this physical condition enter into the next section, that means transduction element. It converts the sensor output to suitable electrical form. That means electrical form such as voltage or current. This is the main thing of transducer. And next one is classification of transducers. The transducers can be classified as, first one is active and passive transducers, and second one is analog and digital transducers, and next one is on the basics of transduction principle use, and fourth one is primary and secondary transducer, and final one is transducers and inverse transducer. These are the different types of transducers. First one, first we are discuss the classification of transducers. First type is active transducer. Active transducer is another name is self-generating type transducer. That means in this transducer do not have any need of external source of power for their entire operation. Is called as active transducer. That means there is no need, do not no need of external source of power for their entire operation, transducer operation. That means external source of power, that means voltage or current or AC source or DC source. There is no need in this type of transducer. Is called as active transducer. The active transducers further classified into six types: photovoltaic transducer, thermoelectric transducer, electromagnetic transducer, piezoelectric, and chemical and other transducer. These are the different types of active transducer. Next we will discuss passive transducer. In this passive transducer is called as not self generating type transducer. That means there is a need of external source of power for their entire transducer operation is called passive transducers. That means external source such as DC power supply or audio frequency generator. These are the external power source of passive transducers. Next we will discuss the classification of passive transducers. The passive transducer mainly classified into four types: variable resistance, variable reactance, optoelectronic, and Hall effect type transducer. These are the basic passive transducers. The variable resistance transducers are further classified into two types: strain gauge and next thermistor, potentiometric, and photoconductor. That means LDR. And next main passive transducer is variable reactance. In this transducer also further classified into two types: inductive and capacitive. Inductive passive transducers are further classified into three types: variable reluctance, variable permeability, and LVDT. And next one is optoelectronic passive transducer, is classified into two types: photoemissive and photoconductive. These are the different classifications of passive transducer. Next we will discuss primary and secondary transducers. In primary transducer, the mechanical device converts the physical quantity to be measured into the mechanical signal, is called as primary transducer. In this primary transducer, because they deal with the physical quantity to be measured. And next one is secondary transducer. Secondary transducer is nothing but the electrical device then convert this mechanical signal into corresponding electrical signal. That means the output of primary transducer is converted into electrical corresponding electrical signal, is called secondary transducer. That means the electrical devices are known as secondary transducer. For example, refer this diagram. This is a diaphragm. That means it acts as a primary transducer. That means it converts pressure. The input is pressure. That means pressure is the quantity to be measured. In this, pressure is first converted into displacement. That means displacement is nothing but is a mechanical quantity, is a mechanical signal. This is called as primary transducer. And in the primary transducer, output is connected to secondary transducer. That means the displacement is, this displacement is nothing but is a mechanical quantity. In this mechanical quantity, displacement is then converted into change in resistance. That means using strain gauge, it converts, strain gauge is converts mechanical quantity into electrical quantity, is called as secondary transducer. And next one is the basic characteristics of transducers. First one is ruggedness, linearity already we are discussed. Linearity depends upon input and output. And next one is repeatability. The main thing is accuracy. And next, high stability and reliability. And sixth one is dynamic range, physical size. And next important thing is speed of response. And final one is sensitivity. These are the basic requirement of each and every transducers. Fine, thank you.